Enjoy clean, safe drinking water no matter where the road takes you. The best water filter for RVing ensures you remove contaminants, odors, and sediment while maintaining great taste, making it an essential for every traveler's mobile lifestyle. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. ICEPURE water filter for RVing. The ICEPURE water filter for RVing is a user-friendly, high-capacity under-sink filtration system that's well-suited for RV travelers who prioritize both convenience and water quality. One of its standout features is the effortless installation process. Designed with a simple plug-and-play configuration, the unit installs in less than 3 minutes and allows for lightning-fast 2-second filter replacements. No plumber or special tools needed. The filter delivers a robust flow rate of 2.5 gallons per minute at 60 psi, making it ideal for high-demand usage in RVs. It's certified by NSF/ANSI 42 and 372 standards, verifying its ability to reduce chlorine, taste, and odor while ensuring materials are lead-free. With a filtration capacity of up to 22,000 gallons, this system offers a service life that's 3 times longer than many competing models, making it a highly economical choice for long-term travel. Constructed from BPA-free, food-grade materials and featuring a 0.5 micron outer layer using coconut shell carbon, it effectively captures sediment, heavy metals, and harmful particles while retaining essential minerals. Designed to connect directly to 1/2 inch to 3/8 inch cold water lines without the need to drill new holes, it's compatible with most RV, kitchen, or bathroom setups. Whether you're using it for drinking, cooking, or making coffee, the ICEPURE ensures clean and refreshing water. Its durability, certification, and ease of use make it a top-tier option for RV enthusiasts who want reliable and high-performing water filtration on the go. Number 2. Berkey water filter for RVing. The Berkey water filter for RVing is a top-tier choice for those seeking portable, gravity-fed water filtration with the ability to purify water from virtually any natural source. The travel Berkey model is especially suitable for RVers, campers, and off-grid dwellers who need access to safe drinking water in remote areas. Equipped with black Berkey elements, the system can remove over 200 contaminants commonly found in lakes, rivers, and streams, including bacteria, viruses, heavy metals, and pharmaceuticals, without requiring electricity, plumbing, or tools. Its compact stainless steel design makes it durable and perfect for mobile use. The system is also ideal for daily use in RV parks, turning ordinary tap water into crisp, clean drinking water. Each pair of black Berkey elements can filter up to 6,000 gallons of water, providing impressive longevity and value, especially for frequent travelers or large families. Additional elements can be added to double the system's lifespan. In terms of cost efficiency, the Berkey offers filtration at just pennies per gallon, making it one of the most economical solutions on the market. Its convenience extends to emergency preparedness as well, offering a reliable source of potable water during power outages or natural disasters. Though slightly more expensive up front, the Berkey makes up for it with unmatched durability, efficiency, and peace of mind. For RVers seeking a rugged, high-capacity, and proven filtration system, the Travel Berkey stands as one of the most trusted names in water purification.
Number 3. CREST water filter for RVing. The CREST water filter for RVing is a powerful and sustainable gravity-fed solution, perfect for both stationary use and life on the road. Engineered with a 5-stage filtration process, this system significantly improves the taste of water by reducing chlorine by up to 99%, as well as removing fluoride, heavy metals, rust, sediment, and other common impurities. While it does not reduce total dissolved solids, TDS, its filtration capabilities are validated by NSF and Z42 certification. This makes it a great choice for those who want cleaner, better-tasting water without stripping beneficial minerals. The system comes in a durable 304 stainless steel body that is leak-proof, rust-resistant, and aesthetically pleasing. It includes a sturdy stainless steel spigot and a non-slip stand, enhancing both stability and usability. No plumbing skills are needed for setup, and it requires no electricity, making it ideal for RVers, campers, and emergency preparedness. The bundle includes 2 black carbon filters with a capacity of up to 6,000 gallons and 2 white fluoride filters rated for 1,000 gallons. This long-lasting filtration system helps reduce reliance on bottled water and can eliminate the need for over 45,000 plastic water bottles, making it eco-friendly and cost-effective. Whether you're parked at a campground or exploring off-grid terrain, CREST delivers clean, crisp water for drinking, cooking, and personal hygiene. It's a reliable, portable system built for those who want performance, sustainability, and convenience in one complete package. Number 4. Membrane water filter for RVing. The membrane water filter for RVing offers a sophisticated and comprehensive water purification system that goes beyond traditional filtration. Built with a sleek stainless steel countertop design, it combines gravity filtration with built-in UV sanitization, making it suitable for purifying tap water as well as water from lakes, streams, and wells. This unique system uses a smart detection mechanism that activates the UV light only when water is flowing, enhancing energy efficiency and extending the UV bulb's life. The filtration process includes a 0.1 micron hollow fiber membrane, activated carbon, and UV purification, ensuring that your water is free of microorganisms, heavy metals, VOCs, PFOS, PFOA, and other harmful contaminants. Independently tested and SGS certified to NSF ANSI 42 and 53 standards, this filter removes 99.999999% of bacteria and reduces 99.5% of other pollutants. With a 2.25-gallon capacity and triple filtration elements working simultaneously, it offers 1.5 times the flow rate of typical two-element systems. The filters collectively treat up to 9,000 gallons of water, making it perfect for long-term RVing or home emergency use. Its portability, efficiency, and comprehensive protection make it ideal for travelers who want advanced purification capabilities, especially when venturing into areas with questionable water sources. From daily hydration to coffee brewing and food prep, this high-tech water filter brings clean water to every part of your mobile lifestyle.
Number 5. Honko Funsoon water filter for RVing. The Honko Funsoon water filter for RVing is a gravity-fed filtration system designed to meet the water demands of RVers and outdoor enthusiasts with ease and efficiency. With a generous 2.25-gallon stainless steel chamber, it provides clean water for a family of 4, whether you're inside an RV or out in the wilderness. This system is NSFE 42 and 372 certified, ensuring its carbon filters reduce chlorine, taste, and odor while being constructed from lead-free materials. The system uses premium coconut-based activated carbon to filter out more than 200 contaminants, including mercury, lead, organic pollutants, and microparticles from lakes, rivers, ponds, or even municipal water supplies. Its stainless steel body and spigot offer long-term durability, and the included anti-slip rubber rings improve usability and stability on various surfaces. The included carbon filters can purify up to 6,000 gallons of water, making the system both eco-conscious and cost-effective, saving you the trouble of purchasing thousands of plastic bottles. With a design focused on practicality, reliability, and health safety, the Honko Funsoon water filter system is an excellent companion for travelers who require dependable and long-lasting water purification on the road or off-grid. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.